chapter, we will study about the features of MS Word and how to start MS Word 2019 and creating a new document and how we will enter text and selecting the text and deleting the text and how you can change the font style, size and color of the text and saving a document and closing a document in Word. And finally, you have saved the document and then afterward, for if you want to use it in the future, how you will open a existing document. Now let's start with the chapter. MS Word is one of the most popular products of Microsoft company. It is a word processing program. It is used to write letters, stories, poems, and invitations. What are the features of MS Word? MS Word is a part of Microsoft Office package. It has some features like it can type a document and save it. It can edit the document easily. It can type भी कर सकता है document को, save भी कर सकता है, edit भी कर सकता है. We can use the same document in future. आप save document को future में भी use कर सकते हैं. We can check the spelling and grammar. We can insert pictures and change the way the text appears. जिस तरीके से text appear हो उस way को भी हम change करें. Now starting MS Word 2009. Now click on Start button 2019. Click on the word. And then when we open Word 2019, the Word Start screen will appear from where we will be able to create a new document and choose the template or access our recently added document. आप क्या कर सकते हो? आपकी जो recently added document है उसको access कर सकते हो. Now click on the blank document and to create a new document. और आप क्या create करोगे? New document. Microsoft Word window will appear named document 1. The various parts of Word 2019 window are as. ये आपकी window Word की window है. Now here we have file tab. This is quick access toolbar. This is title bar. And this is your ribbon. That's completely is known as ribbon. This is application window. And this is your ruler. Group system कहते हैं. This is a work area where you will work. Then we have ribbon. It is designed to respond to your current task. It contains multiple types. File, home, insert, draw, design, referencing, mailing, review, view, and help each with several. You will use this tab to perform most common tasks in the Word. ठीक है, आपको अगर कुछ common tasks perform करने हैं तब आप इसका use करते हैं. Then we have quick access toolbar. It is present at the leftmost corner of the Word window. It contains frequently used commands. By default, it shows save, undo, redo option. We can add other commands depending upon our preference. आपका क्या preference? आप save को document save कर सकते हैं, undo से previous action पे जा सकते हैं, redo से आप repeat कर सकते हैं. Now collapse the ribbon button. We can collapse the ribbon if we need to see more of the document we are creating. To collapse ribbon, click the arrow at the bottom right. When we click on the button, we will minimize the ribbon only and the tab names can display. और जो tab का name है वो यहाँ पे display होगा. Then we have title bar. It is present at the top of the Word window. It shows name of the document followed by the program. We have 5 buttons on the right side of the title bar. Microsoft Word Help, Ribbon, Display Option, Minimize, Restore, Down and Maximize. And we can search for online help or from the local computer Microsoft Word button. You can choose to minimize ribbon. आप ribbon को भी minimize कर सकते हो. It takes up too much screen space using ribbon display. The minimize button reduces window to a small icon on the taskbar. मैक्सिमाइज बटन क्या करता है? फुल स्क्रीन व्यू करता है. और रीस्टोर डाउन बटन जो होता है वो क्या करता है? विंडो को मैक्सिमाइज करता है और उसको ओरिजिनल साइज पे चेंज करता है. वहीं जो क्लोज बटन होता है वो विंडो को क्या करता है? क्लोज. वर्क एरिया, द एरिया वेयर वी कैन टाइप टेक्स्ट, इंसर्ट पिक्चर, टेबल्स. अ कर्सर इज प्रेजेंट इन द वर्क एरिया. व्हाट इट शोज? पोजीशन एट व्हिच टेक्स्ट अपीयर व्हेन वी टाइप. कि कहाँ पे टेक्स्ट अपीयर करता है जब हम क्या कर रहे हैं. देन वी हैव डायलॉग बॉक्स लॉन्चर. इट इज अ स्मॉल आइकन that appears in some group. We click on this icon, dialog box related to that group. It may contains many options. We can select of our choice. Scroll bar, by default, vertical scroll bar or horizontal scroll bar are shown. We can hide scroll bar if we want to display more of the document. The vertical scroll bar is present to the right of the document window. We can drag vertical scroll and down to see a document that are currently not. आप क्या कर सकते हो? उसको स्क्रॉल कर सकते हो जो डॉक्यूमेंट आपको विजिबल नहीं है. द हॉरिजॉन्टल स्क्रॉल बार इज प्रेजेंट एट द बॉटम ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट. वी कैन आल्सो ड्रैग हॉरिजॉन्टल स्क्रॉल बार लेफ्ट एंड राइट. आप लेफ्ट और राइट भी उसको स्क्रॉल कर सकते Then we have ruler, which makes it easier to adjust our document with precision. We can hide the ruler to create more screen space. अगर आपको ज़्यादा screen space चाहिए तो आप उसको hide भी कर सकते हैं. And there are two rulers, horizontal होता है और vertical होता है. Horizontal आपके top of the document में होता है, which is set at left and right margin. And vertical, it is from left to left of the document. Then we have status bar. It appears at the bottom of the world window. कहाँ पे होता है status bar? Bottom of the world window. It provides information जैसे आपको current page number, number of pages, and words in the document, and the view button and the zoom slide. The view button, they are the feature that let us change. And how document appears. We can choose view our document in read mode, print layout, or web layout. It is useful for doing various tasks. You can do various tasks. The zoom slider is available for zooming in or out. आप क्या कर सकते हो, डॉक्यूमेंट को जूम इन भी कर सकते हो और जूम आउट भी कर सकते हो क्विकली एंड easy. Now creating a new document. If you have to create a new document, what you will do? First click on the Files tab. Backstage view will appear. Now select New option. Click on the blank document. A new blank document window will be appear on this. Now entering the text. Now you have to enter the text. Now insertion point या फिर cursor जिसे हम कहते हैं, एक vertical blinking vertical line है. It indicates where we can enter text on the page. When a new blank document opens, insertion point is located in the top left. Do not press the enter key when you reach the end of the line. As you type the text, the insertion point automatically shift to the next line. वो automatically next line पे shift होता है. और ये जो feature होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, word wrap. And press the enter key only to start a new line. And we can insert text on an existing document. Use the mouse to move the insertion point to specify the place in our document. कि आपको कहाँ पे उसको क्या करना है, specify करना है, किस place. आप उस location पे जाके एक simple click करोगे और text को insert. Now selecting text in the word. To select the text, follow the steps. What are the steps that we will follow? Place the cursor before the text you want to select. जो भी text आपको select करना उसके पास आपको cursor रखना. Now keeping the mouse button pressed, drag the mouse. आप drag करोगे and release the mouse. You have selected the text, a highlighted box will be appear over a select. Now deleting the text in Word. Now you want to delete, what you will do? Select the text you want to delete, press the delete or backspace. The selected text will be deleted. जो भी आपका selected text है वो क्या हो जाएगा, delete. Now changing the style, size and color of the text. What you will do? Select the text, click on the down arrow next to the font box in the font group on the home. Now select the desired font and always choose the font which you clear and easy to read. आपको वो ही करना है जो clear है और जिसको आप easily read कर सकते. Now changing the size of the text. Now you have to change the size of the text. Select the text, click on the down arrow next to home size. आप home tab पे जाएंगे और जैसा भी आपको font चाहिए आप उसको change कर सकते. ठीक है, select the desired font size and the size of the selected text will be changed. Changing the color of the text. How we will change? Select the text. Click on the down arrow next to font color in the font group. Select the desired font color. The color of selected text will be changed. जितना भी आपने देखो select करा है ना text, उसका जो color है वो अपने आप change. Now saving our document. Now we have done editing. हमने जो changes करने थे वो हमने कर लिए. Now you have to save our document. First you will click on the file tab. Now backstage view appears. Select the save this PC option. Then you will click browse. Just select जिस भी location को आपको उसको save करना आप उसको select कर सकते. Then you will type file name and click on save. Your document will be. Now closing a document in a Word. Click on the file tab. Backstage view will appear. Select the close option. Word will ask to save the change. तो पूछेगा कि आपको save करना है, changes नहीं करने हैं तो आप करेंगे, नहीं करने तो नहीं करेंगे. Then click on save. You want to save the changes and your file will be. Now opening an existing document. जो आपने document save करा उसको open करना. You will click on the file tab. Backstage view will appear. Select the open option. Select this PC option. You will click browse button. Select the file and click on the open. जैसे आप click करोगे open button पे your file will be open. And you can also press Ctrl+O key to open the existing one. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.